Hello, you sexy mama jammers on the YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Channel. Today is currently Monday, June 8th. It is 8:17 in the PM East Coast Standard Time, or Eastern Daylight Time, and we are heading north. We had after we got done at Best Buy this morning, we had to take a 10 because we did that split last night. We had to do a 10, and I woke up rather unusually, rather abruptly. I was woke up by a dream. I haven't had a dream this vivid in a while, and when it happened, it woke me up. So here's what happened. I'm driving. It's nighttime. I'm driving. We're on a 4-lane road. I'm in lane 3. I just passed somebody in the right lane, and I'm going under an overpass, and then this dude, I still don't know whether he was thrown or whether he was jumped off, or thrown off, whether he was thrown off or whether he jumped off. What I do know is he jumped over the overpass in my lane, like he was going to jump in front of me. Either he changed his mind at the last second or tried to change his mind, or he was trying to defend himself and not go over, but he grabbed the handrail, and that motion took him out of my lane over into the lane beside of me, and his feet came out from under him, and he landed right on his back. And that car, I had just passed that car, and of course it's dark, I can't really see in the mirror, but I'm assuming that car. But as soon as he hit freaking asphalt, the road, I woke up like, holy shit. Like I said, I'm trying to replay it in my head, because like I said, this is vivid as hell. I remember this dream vividly, and I'm trying to remember up on top there, I think I see other people up there, but I can't say for sure. Like, holy crap, my heart was racing. The adrenaline was rushing, heart was thumping. Whoo! That was something. I hope that's not a sign of something to come. But if it does, I hope it. I mean, best case scenario, it doesn't happen. Worst case scenario, it does happen, but it happens the way it happened in my dream. Worst case scenario is it happens right in front of my truck. Anyhow, we're a couple hundred miles from where we got to go to McBee, South Carolina. We're going to pick up that load at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. That's our Salt Lake City, Utah due for next Monday. So, yeah, we're just going to go ahead and start tonight. I'm going to park here in just a little bit. I'm not going to go too far. I'm not going to go all the way anyway, because I don't want to go to midnight. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. But also, no, I don't want to go through Savannah, so I want to get north of Savannah. I don't want to go through that in the morning. And if I do, it'll be early. It wouldn't be too bad. But then Florence is going to be a clusterfuck, so you know what? I might as well just go all the way. Anyhow, we'll figure it out. Thanks for being here, y'all. Appreciate all the support. Thank you so much. Let's just see what this trucking journey has in store for us this time, shall we?
Crack a monster, greet the sun. Big blues humming, ready to run.
Well, speaking of overpasses, I'm just putting along, going up I-95 up in somewhere in South Carolina. Just cruising around, 73 degrees. All of a sudden, my damn truck was like, boom, slow down. Oh yeah, because that damn overpass shadow made it think I was about to freaking run into a mountainside. Stupid, dumbass safety collision. Collision mitigation system. That's what I was looking for. So fucking stupid. Anyhow, good morning, y'all. It is today is now Tuesday, June 9th. We're on our way to finish out this deadhead to McBee, South Carolina. Pick up a bunch of hot water heaters. We'll be pulling on site right at 9 a.m., right at our appointment time. I don't do creative parking much, but last night I had to. I-95, 9 o'clock in the PM at Love's. Yeah, I was one of those trucks along the curb, but I wasn't on the curb. I was like, there was one truck on the curb, and I was on the outside of him. So I left just enough room for that drive lane to be cleared and people get around. But I had to. I did it in a split. A little longer than I wanted because I want to hit the snooze a couple times this morning because I wasn't ready. Physically, I wasn't ready. So I had the alarm set for 4:30. I didn't get vertical till a little after 5. Went over to the fuel island. Forgot to clean my windshield. Then when I pulled out, I realized that, so I turned on my damn washer fluid and I realized how I had like a little squirt of washer fluid is all it was, and then I had smears, and now I got smears on my windshield, so I gotta make sure I fill up my washer fluid today. But also, I'm going to find me a blue beacon today. And I'm probably going to swing by Mercer Town tomorrow because where I did a split, I'll only have about 6 hours left. Well, yeah, about 6 hours left where I can drive today. And then once I do a proper 10 this evening, our clock will be all back together. Yeah, we're rolling. We're gonna pick up this load and head towards where I got a plan. I'm gonna stop by Mercertown. I'm gonna stop by Danville, Illinois. I'm intentionally riding through there, Tommy, just for you, buddy. I'll stay at that place that you told me about. That way, I'll give you time to get there, and I'll have you. And then I've got myself routed to go up to the Iowa 80. I might wait to get blue watched up there, but then again, maybe I probably won't. Maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how convenient a beacon will be between here and there. Now, the issue that I have is Louisville, I-65 is under some major construction and shut down for a little while. I've been seeing reports to where trucks have been going under an area there known as the can opener because they don't know how to read signs and they're just trying to get around that. But it got me thinking, I'm going to talk to my coordinator in a little bit. Is 64? 64 shouldn't be closed at all anywhere, right? I don't think they are. I don't think it is. 64 should be straight open all the way through Louisville. So I'm going to probably, once I leave out of here, the one I'm taking 20 all the way over to Atlanta and taking 75. Nope. I just said that out loud and that's not going to be right. I don't know. We'll see what route it says to take from McBee to Louisville. It might even say take, I can't even guess. I don't know the area very well. But in any case, we might get there today. Might not. I don't think it's very far. Shouldn't be. I think it's only about 6 hours or so. And if that's the case, I would have time to get there. We'll figure it out. Anyhow, we're rolling. We'll be there in about hour and a half. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. I tell you, I've been in the dock about an hour. Once he got all the information from me, he's like, shut it down, take a nap. I didn't like that very well at all. So I don't know how much longer I'm going to be here. So we got here on time. We shall see. Little gnat. Got you. No, I didn't. You little gnat. There we go. Got you. It's 10:18, so I've been here for a little over an hour. I got 6 hours left to drive. Matter of fact, let me just look at something real quick. Let me see. Get off of there. Let me go Turkey Path, Clear Path. I'm already here. Let's go to my address book. Mercer Driver's Lounge, 550 miles away. Maybe it's not 6 hours away. It's 9 hours away. So 65 through Louisville's crap. I'm not going to go. It looks like, okay, yeah, it's going to take me up to Knoxville. From here, take me 20 over to 26 up to Asheville. I could go straight up 77 to Charlotte and go through West Virginia and take 64 over, because 65 is crap, but 64 is good. But I don't want to go through the gorge either. I don't want to go through the gorge. I think the gorge is still jacked up. So 9 hours and 12 minutes that way. 9 hours and 13 minutes through West Virginia, I think. Is that the one? No, 9 hours and 56 minutes. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Alright, so it's 11:50. We're getting out of here. Almost 3 hours, but what is? We got to get our departure. Verify I got the same trailer. Yes, bill of lading 610 10-10-176 10-10-176. Select all and copy that. Number of pieces. Looks like I got a total of 17. First, 6 and 11. 8,000, no, 5,500 pounds. Okay. Yeah, okay, I'll take it. And the seal, 248-4145. Submit that. Come over here to our ELD, to our logs, today, form, shipping documents. And we're going to paste in our BOL. That is a thing on the Motive, guys. If you don't, it was automatic on like Schneider. Since we're independently with our load board and our clock, you have to make sure you do that. That will get you on a DOT inspection. And we are out of here. So I went ahead and put in, how much hours I got? I have right at 6 hours to drive. We're almost, everything else is catching up with us. So I put in the stop at Danville, Illinois. We're 771 miles away. We'll get there tomorrow evening. We'll sleep there tomorrow night. And then, well, maybe, I don't know. But I also got Iowa 80 in. That might change. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But it's like 34 hours total to get to where we got to go. We got 6 days to do it. So we're not going to be in a huge rush across the way. All right. Let's get to getting, shall we? All right, we are at the Blue Beacon, as you can tell, here in Columbia, South Carolina. Right across from the Flying J. We're gonna get washed. And I figured I'd give you the POV of the entire interaction. Go off duty. We got 4 hours and 48 minutes to drive, about 4:50 on our shift. I'm tired. These splits got me. Screw the splits, man. So we'll see. I feel like that guy should be a sharp left It's that bobtail lane right there. That way I wouldn't be right here. I just tell my window, my windshield. Blue's filthy. He needs a bath. I don't know. Contacted Tom and say, hey, I'll be out of that area tomorrow. I might just make that Thursday. I'm not a huge ass hurry, so I don't have to be. I'm not trying to knock out 700 miles a day. I have no need to. Oh well, we'll figure it out. All right, moving a little closer. That guy finally got into the bobtail line where he should have been to begin with. We'll get behind old Prime. And we wait. Always wait till somebody signals you in there, drivers. Don't want to run nobody over. I don't. All right. Yeah. All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Let you know I got 4. Let you know I got 4 in the bay. 4 in my bay, yeah. This one right here. After I spec your engine from top to bottom of the flashlight.
I'm sorry, what?
I said after I spec your engine.
I know that's your script. It's rolling out fast. Say it again.
After I spec your engine from top to bottom with a flashlight, would you like to come look at it?
I do want to look at it, yes. I'm looking for something specific.
My name is Patrick. I'll be controlling your watch.
All right.
Anything, I'll be in the bay helping out. This is Miss Gabby. She will take your bay.
All right, great. Thank you. Pardon?
How are you going
Oh, the trailer is paid for by Mercer. Mercer Transportation. I pay for the truck.
What's your first name?
My name's Larry
What's the last name?
Walker.
What's the truck number?
The truck is 24775.
And trailer number?
Z is in zebra. 01228.
Okay, where did you sign for the Mercer?
I'm sorry?
Where did you sign for the company wash?
Company, okay. Good, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Ooh, boo, looking better. Look at the shiny wheels. Shiny wheel. Shiny wheels. Shiny paint. Shiny side. Shiny middle. Blue looking good. Bug guts cleared out the grill. Alright. Now we're over here at the Flying J.
What you get? What else? That's it? Yeah. I might have them. I just mess with you now.
Yeah.
I just mess with you, babe. Welcome in. How you doing, babe?
Hello.
Oh, let me find out you watching me. You see me?
Is it flashing? Oh,
You see me?
I see you all day, baby girl. Hey, I ain't shy.
I'm about to.
There you go,
Right
chug
here.
it.
He right here. Oh, he just paid me for everything. Yes, ma'am.
Let me get,
yes, sir.
let me get a big dog and a spicy chicken, please.
You have a good day on the phone. Thank you. Yes, Lord.
I don't know if I can get any spicier than that though, but
Good big dog. Yeah, baby.
it's all right. Just float around. Yeah, you know what's funny? I've been saying since they started these damn things. If you don't have a box for your product, don't sell your product. A lot of places want to stick it into a damn a shopping bag. What?
There go Mr. Jones right there.
He's just a store manager. He ain't the company, but he ain't the company guy. He just a local guy.
I know that's right.
People up there at corporate make those decisions. Me a spicy chicken, just one.
We got no spicy chicken.
Oh, you ain't got no spicy? Oh, I just can't see the. I can't.
Barbecue. You want a sandwich?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the spicy chicken.
No, chicken sandwich. Yeah. My bad. Beep beep. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just stay here. We only got a few hours left to drive. I'm just, this splits has got me all, my time schedule's all jacked up. So I'm gonna stay up as long as I can today here. Get a nice solid night's sleep. Get back at it in the morning. And this head, we've already got, it's only 2,100 miles. I mean, I can be there in 3 days if I really wanted to, but I don't have to be there that day. But I do plan on being there on a Friday, maybe. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Plenty of time. Famous last words, right? Anyway, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me today. Y'all have a great night. That spicy chicken sandwich is coming back. I will see you tomorrow.